So hi guys, it's a girl who's Kate So spend the money with me. Guys, you see, I'm teaching my younger sister how to do it. And then so I give him a one egg that she can also to make her own milk. So first things first, yeah. Who are telling what is doing? Yeah. And then one like you see, and then you like from here you take guys, my little sister made a mess, guys. Oh, guys, I'm sorry. I didn't see the mistake. No, guys. You will forgive him in the comments. You will forgive him in the comments. Guys, but guys, no. Okay, wait. Okay, guys, next we're going to make eggs with meat, you know. So guys, as you see, I'm going to take the meat. You see, here's the meat, and here's the spoon. So guys, I'm going to mix, and then connect this for in here. I need to like mix, not to you, guys. Guys, I need corn. So guys, as you see, keep mixing, and then you can check one. So guys, I'm checking the stove. Oh guys, I checked the wrong one. Oh guys, oh guys, no. This electricity is so dangerous. Friend, this thing is very nice, but I taste it's like guys, you see, we mix up meat with egg. As you see, like it's like soup. You see, guys. Para saan si Dinamat? No, that's not. We need to make egg. Guys, bye bye. Oh, bye bye. So bye guys. You guys on the next episode. I will send you pictures. So bye. Thanks guys. Bye. I'll see you on the next time. Say bye. Bye. Bye guys. Bye. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel, and don't forget